If you're looking for typing jobs you can do from home with little or no experience, then this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 10 typing jobs that are currently hiring, including remote jobs, freelance work, and entry-level online jobs you can start right away. These jobs are perfect if you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or anyone looking to earn money online using basic typing skills. Make sure you watch until the end because some of these typing jobs pay more than you might expect. Let's get started. The first typing job is data entry. Data entry clerks input information into databases, spreadsheets, or company systems. This could include customer details, sales numbers, or inventory records. Most data entry jobs require basic typing and accuracy, offer flexible schedules, are fully remote. Companies frequently hiring include SigTrack, Axion Data Services, Dion Data Solutions. This is one of the most searched work from home typing jobs, making it perfect for beginners. Next is online transcription. Transcriptionists listen to audio or video files and type what they hear. This could include interviews, podcasts, meetings, or YouTube videos. Popular transcription platforms include Rev Transcribe, Migo Transcript. If you type fast and have good listening skills, transcription can be a steady source of online income. Pro tip: the faster and more accurate you are, the more you earn. Number 3, captioning jobs. Captioning is similar to transcription but focuses on creating subtitles for videos. These jobs are in high demand due to YouTuber creators, online courses, accessibility requirements. Websites like Rev and Caption Max regularly hire captioners. This is a great typing job if you enjoy working with videos and want remote work with flexible hours. Number 4 is freelance typist. Freelance typing involves converting handwritten notes, scanned documents, or PDFs into digital text. You can find freelance typing jobs on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People per hour. The best part, you set your own rates and work whenever you want. This is one of the best online typing jobs for beginners looking to build experience. 5 is virtual assistant, typing focused tasks. Virtual assistants often handle email typing and responses, document formatting, data entry, and scheduling. Many VA jobs don't require phone calls and focus mostly on typing tasks. You can find these jobs on Belay Time, etc. Fancy Hands. This job offers long-term remote work with consistent pay. 6. Chat support agent. Chat support agents assist customers through live chat, not phone calls. This role involves typing responses to customer questions, following scripts and guidelines, working flexible shifts. Companies like Amazon, Apple, and LiveWord hire chat support agents regularly. If you prefer no talking jobs, this is an excellent option. No. 7. Content moderator, typing and reviewing. Content moderators review and categorize online content. Typing tasks may include writing short reports, labeling posts, responding to flagged content. These jobs are often remote and available worldwide. Platforms like Appen and Lionbridge, TELUS International commonly hire for this role. 8 is online form filling jobs. Form filling jobs involve entering information into online forms or surveys for businesses. While you should avoid scams, legitimate companies do exist. Trusted platforms include Clickworker, Microworkers. This is a simple typing job ideal for beginners looking to earn extra income. If you are good at spotting errors, proofreading might be for you. No. 9 is proofreading and editing. Proofreaders correct grammar and spelling. Edit documents, blogs, and articles. Work entirely online. Websites hiring proofreaders include Proofreadingservices.com Scribe Indie. This job pays more than basic data entry and requires strong attention to detail. No 10. AI training and text evaluation jobs. AI companies hire workers to type sample responses, evaluate AI-generated text label data for machine learning. These jobs are growing rapidly as AI tools expand. Companies like Remotasks and Taylor's International AI regularly hire for these roles. This is one of the fastest growing remote typing jobs in 2025. And there you have it. 10 typing jobs currently hiring that you can do from home. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more work from home jobs, and comment below which typing job you want to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.